20mm lug nuts. First things first, we're going to spray the stuff down with your lubricant of choice. While that's working, I'm going to go ahead and work off this cotter pin. Just breaking them off. Just after you get a 19mm bolt over the factory one. Now the fun part of this is getting it off. Just trying to break the bond of that bolt and that knuckle. Now I can just cut it off at this point, but I want to try to save it so we can get the alignment as close as we can for these people, so they can at least drive it until they can get in alignment. So you're going to hold the inner tie rod. So with the 19mm wrench, we're going to want to spin that nut to the right, because you want to go towards the car. Like so. Just back it off the tie rod. We gotta count the spins, so 1, 13, 14, 15. We'll say 15. Now with this one, we can just take your 20mm. It'll work. Take that off. We're gonna come in here. You know, sometimes work, sometimes they don't. Take that off. Visible. you go, it's popped. Now you can remove this outer rubber boot. Now with this pretty awesome inner tie rod remover, sliding up and over it. Half-inch breaker bar. And that's it. Now it's free. Now your new inner tie rod is going to come with this little backing plate. It's got these 2 notches that will fit in the slots that's in there. So put the spikes up. Get this started. I forgot where I left off. So as I was saying, there's 2 little notches. I like to just spin this up until it locks into that notch. Now we can get a little bit closer. There we go. And just put it in the rest of the way.
Daddy, I'm going to put the light in.
All right. Take your outer and start it down. And then screw it into however many counts that you had when you took yours off. You put your Newcastle nut back on with the supplied cotter pin, and that's how you replace the inner and outer tie rods on this Honda Odyssey. Pilot. Now, how you're gonna clamp that interior, that's all up to you. I use zip ties. I like to fasten 2 together while I slide it, and I'll work the zip ties down with needle nose the best I can, and then I'll snip them off, and then that's how I seal up the inner tie rod seal.